to Streemin. This is a quick video to get you started and live as soon as possible. Start by typing Streemin into Google and click on the top result, or enter streamin.co.uk in the top search bar. This is the Streemin homepage where you can view live streams from around the world. If you're new to Streemin, you're going to need an account, so go to Login and select Create an Account. Enter your email address and then a name you want to be recognised by on Streemin. Then put in a strong password for your account and enter it again to prevent typing errors. You can then add your gender and date of birth. These fields are optional, however, certain streams may require those details for viewing. Once you've clicked register, you will be sent a verification email that should appear within a few minutes. If it doesn't pop up, try checking your email spam folder. To continue the setup process, simply open the verification email and click the link to arrive back at the Streemin site. You just have to log back in with your email address and password you've just provided, and you're ready to stream. Check out the next video for details on how to set up streaming on your account through different devices. Check out the Streemin social media to keep up with any updates and to see when people are going live.